Good morning. Here we are in the gym. It's Friday morning. We've got a shoulder workout. That's our Friday day is shoulder day. So we've got dumbbell shoulder press seated. We've got the incline bench set up here. And we'll be starting with the 30 pounders of 4 sets of 8. Probably work up to the 35, probably move to 35 pounders by the second set. What I was gonna say is maybe I'll work up into the 40 pounders by the last set, but I'm not sure about that yet. We'll see what that feels like. We'll see where we are with the 35s. And then after that, we've got our typical auxiliaries, the lateral raises and the front raises. And then we'll move to forearm work, get the wrist curls and reverse wrist curls with the easy bar. And finally, we'll wrap it up with the PT work with the shoulder and get the shoulder stretch in. And then we'll head out on a walk and come back and chat. So yeah, so we've got our typical shoulder workout. Not a whole lot of shoulder work I can do in my gym. I mean, I've got, like I say, the auxiliaries, those lateral raises. Front raises are pretty much a staple in my shoulder routine. And sometimes we'll get together something else like upright rows, which is more of a mid upper back. I haven't done those in a while. That's not really shoulder, but it does kind of, you know, work the shoulder mobility, I guess. But anyway, yeah, these lateral raises and front raises are pretty much it. I mean, I can use my cable machine, but what happens is the cable machine isn't fastened to the floor. And when I use my, use the old lateral, do the sweep with the cable, it kind of lifts up the machine off the floor because it's lightweight. So anyway, yeah, I can't really use the cable machine for shoulder work there. But get the bands out and do some band work, but I'm good with the lateral raises and front raises. So anyway, we're getting long-winded here. So we're gonna get on these exercises, do our shoulder workout, so and get this done. Welcome to Sojourner version. This is Russell. Glad you're here, and I'm gonna get this longevity training in so I can meet age with grace, folks. Gonna do it. So here we go. Let's hit it. that does it for week 6 resistance training. Our weight workouts are done for week 6. Tomorrow, I think I mentioned earlier this week, I'm gonna try to move my ab burner maybe to Wednesday, and I'll probably start that next week. I took last Saturday off the ab burner, and that's typically what I call the ab burner day. It's a good day for that, but trying to see if the extra rest will help me out any. Just trying things out, not that I'm tired or anything, but and I'm not getting wore out here, but just trying to turn things around a little bit to see if I can get any benefits from anything. I may try it one or 2 weeks and then decide I like it better on Saturday. So we'll see. So yeah, so tomorrow will just be a walk, no video tomorrow. So I'll just come out and walk on Saturdays and Sundays. That's my thought anyway, and we'll see what happens. So anyway, today's workout went fabulous. First set with the 30s on the dumbbell shoulder press, then the 35s, and then the last 2 sets with the 40s. I was happy with that. I even thought about grabbing the 45s, but just trying to be easy on the shoulders, just working into it. Pretty sure I could have hoisted those 45s for a set of 8, but yeah, just holding on to the 40s, and we'll make sure I hold on to make sure I save on the old shoulder. My right shoulder is doing really good. Left shoulder still has a little twinge in it. If I can get through that, I'll grab those 45s, and then we'll move up to the 50s. So yeah, looking forward to that. That's actually exciting for me. I'm happy I can finally work out my shoulders. So yeah, everything else went good. Front raises and lateral raises, you know, the same old 12 pounders on the lateral raises. I'll be with 12 pounders probably for a few more weeks until we lower the reps. We lower the reps, I'll grab the 15s for those, and I'll move up to the 20s for the front raises. And actually, even with sets of 12, I was thinking maybe I could do the 20s with the front raises this time. So it won't be long. I'll be moving up to the 20s on the front raises. It's just a big jump for when you're talking about doing 15 pounders for a lift to move up a full 5 pounds on each side. It's 10 pounds total. So yeah, 10 pounds, so that's a high percentage of 30 pounds, you know, with a 30% increase. So yeah, it's just, if there was an in-between one, 17.5 pounder, I'd be grabbing those. I think I've even said I could build them. I've got some standard weights and some standard weight dumbbell bars. I could build them, but I'm just not that motivated. I'm getting work out of the 15, so we'll just stick there. So anyway, then we moved on to the grip work, got that done. That was good. Almost ready to move up on the grip wrist curls. The 40 pounders might be moved to 45 next time. And the reverse curls, probably stick at 20 pounds for those for a little longer. So yeah, then we got the PT in, the good old shoulder stretch. That's how I know my left shoulder was a little bit less forward than my right shoulder. My left shoulder, I could feel a twinge in there a little bit more than in my right shoulder. I could get into that position real easy on the right shoulder, but the left shoulder didn't quite want to get in there. So, and get as full a stretch as I did on the right side. But yeah, we'll keep working it. It's getting better and better. They're just both doing a whole lot better than they had been. I mean, it's nice to be able to get my hands over my shoulders and all that kind of good stuff. So yeah. So we finished the whole workout, went out on the walk. Walk was good. Pace was pretty quick. I started out quick on purpose to see what we could do, and I ended up at 1340 it looks like, or in the 1340s, not sure for sure. But the distance was 1.67. Looks like 1340. Numbers are small. I'm moving around. Yeah, so 1340 per mile. So yeah, good deal. So we are on the road for Friday. We are almost to the weekend, folks, almost to the downhill side. So anyway, we will let you guys go. You guys have a great weekend. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age of grace, folks. Go do it. It'll be good for you. Whatever you do. You don't have to do what I do. Just go find something. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great weekend, like I say. Take care. Be safe. See ya.